Instagram influencer and actor Yhemolee, also known as KOKO, is facing heavy criticism on social media for cheating on his long-term girlfriend. The nightlife entrepreneur was accused of flying both his girlfriend and side chick out on the same flight. KOKO was also accused of asking his side chick if her boyfriend can go jiggy like him. Last, na man dey do man. Popular skit maker Caramel over the weekend got into a very bad argument with her boyfriend's side chick named Shalom. The fiery podcaster was accused of receiving heavy beating from her boyfriend anytime she vexes him. The boyfriend, who happens to be Burna Boy's PA, was said to send her on vacations anytime he beats her. What's your perspective about open relationship?